here. As you see, a lot of player rotation. Nemhard not starting, Cassini not starting. They have seen their attacking output improve, but the defensive side of things slacking a bit. We'll see if North Carolina is able to capitalize. And away we go. Tormenta and North Carolina on this Saturday evening. So a truncated debut for the Championship Nights kits for Tormenta as Otieno plows ahead, somehow stays on it past Mikey Maldonado. Slips it centrally, Fonseca now, paces inside the 18, he rolls, and it's brought in by Brooks Thompson. Mansingen, who scored a goal against Chattanooga last time out, is his first goal since May. He's the one to send this in. Mansingen curls it goalward, and Hara a fingertip save on this club, and he's truly a hero of this organization. That being said, still an open competition between him and TJ Bush for the starting keeper spot. As Fonseca opens it wide to Akoto, pops it back central, and headed off target. Available as a substitute. Pedro Fonseca got an assist last time out against Union Omaha. Rolls ahead, Sterling chops it central, and it trickles home. Seemed to take a deflection as well, and Tormenta strike first. And it starts right here as Sterling rolls it through. We'll see if it took a deflection. It did take a deflection off of Kingsford Adjei, who is credited with the goal, an assist for Sterling. And watch this, absolutely beautiful. Muscles off of it, and it comes to Fonseca. Fonseca paces ahead. Fonseca turned away. Brooks Thompson the save. Knocked off of it. Fonseca turns on Maldonado. Fonseca wins it back. Fonseca unleashes off target, but a quality effort from Pedro Fonseca. Akale goes to work. Laquele Akale slips central. It's Sterling. Sterling scores. Clinical. Kazaiah. And it's 2-1 Tormenta. And it all started with Akale drawing eyes, drawing bodies. And he finds Sterling just beyond the penalty spot. 2 touches, and boom. Otieno speeds ahead, finds Fonseca. 1 touch to Sterling. Here's Sterling, who has one already. Back to Fonseca! Disbelief from Pedro Fonseca. These two teams so lethal in transition. And a giveaway here. This could be costly. Here's Sterling. Cuts back. Sterling! Denied! Brooks Thompson. What a stop. Somersault. Down the touchline. Perfectly placed for Perez. Perez surges. Perez skips one goalward. And Hara is unfazed. Well played by the 6'4" center back who anchors this back line. Maldonado floats one ahead. Maldonado's ball. What a save by Hara. Here is Arriaga. Acres of space to work with. Luis Arriaga. Low strike, and it skips into the chest of Pablo Hara. Akoto works ahead. They play on. His cross comes to Amo. Denied, but it's popped right back to Mason. Mason skies one in, finds the head of Akoto, and it's off target. Akoto works ahead. They play on. His cross comes to Amo. Denied, but it's popped right back to Mason. Mason skies one in, finds the head of Akoto, and it's off target. Akoto across, finds Otieno, off target. And that's it. North Carolina, a come-from-behind victory to extend its unbeaten streak to 7 in a row. Akoto Across, finds Otieno! Off target! And that's it! North Carolina, a come-from-behind victory to extend its unbeaten streak to 7 in a row.